In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new service on Fresha following our comprehensive 2025 guide. Whether you're new to Fresha or just need a refresher on how to set up your offerings, I've got you covered. So let's get started. First, you're going to want to log into your Fresha partner account. This is where you manage all your business services, bookings, and client communications. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. It's the hub of all your operations on Fresha. Next, direct your attention to the Catalog tab. It's usually located at the top of your dashboard. Clicking on the Catalog tab will bring you to a page where all the services you offer are displayed. It's a convenient way to manage everything in one place and ensures you have a complete overview of what's available to clients. On the Services menu, look for the Add drop-down button. This is a crucial step because it's where we'll begin the process of adding a new service. The Add drop-down gives you options to add either a single service or a group of services. For the purposes of today's guide, we're focusing on adding a single service. So go ahead and click on single service. Now it's time to input the necessary information for your new service. This part requires some thought and detail, so ensure you have all the relevant information on hand. Input the name of your service and think about how you want it to be displayed to clients. It can be helpful to keep your service names clear and descriptive to avoid any client confusion. Once you've added the essential details, scroll down to the description field. While this step is optional, it's recommended to add a description for each service. This section is where you can highlight the unique aspects of your service, explain what clients can expect, and even upsell complementary services. Now, let's move on to setting the desired pricing and duration for your service. Be clear about your rates and set a time duration that not only works for your clients, but also aligns with your business schedule. Clear pricing and time duration help manage client expectations efficiently. Finally, with all the information inputted, it's time to save your new service. You'll find the Save button typically at the bottom of the page. Clicking Save will ensure that all your hard work is stored and the new service is available for clients to book. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new service on Fresha. By following these steps, you can easily keep your catalog updated and offer clients the best range of services your business has to offer. Thanks for joining me in this guide and happy booking on Fresha.